Okay. Distance formula. The distance formula is a grade 8 concept. Okay? But we can learn how to find the distance between 2 points on a coordinate plane without the distance formula. We get the distance formula from Pythagorean's theorem. So knowing this one is enough. It's just later they'll give you a whole formula for it. How we do this is, one, we're going to use coordinates. In this case, coordinates means 2 points to make a right triangle. The distance between the 2 points should be the hypotenuse. Okay? This is like the key concept behind the distance formula. Any 2 points on any line on any graph can be made into a hypotenuse. Okay? So the only lines you are drawing in a vertical line and a horizontal line. That's it. It's always vertical or horizontal. Okay? So step 1, plot 2 points or get them. So if I'm looking at let's say this is -1, 2. And you go 3, -1. Okay. So this line is going to be our hypotenuse. The diagonal line will be the hypotenuse. Guys, I'm trying to talk and the recorder is on, I think. So if anything, this is getting picked up. You know, you can take a little break, that's fine. Yeah? You did a lot of work. But when you draw your diagonal, okay, the line is the hypotenuse. So you're going to draw a flat line and a vertical line. This is the trick. You gotta figure out where to do it, right? To make a right triangle, where your flat line and your horizontal line have to create a right angle. So this requires a little art to it. You can either do straight this way and down. That one works. Also could be this way and down. Both of those work, okay? If you do that, you can literally count blocks. This side is 3, just by counting a vertical line. 1, 2, 3. Wow, she did not draw that very well. And yikes. Got it nicer. Okay. So 3 is the height, and the length would be how many? How long would this line be?
5.
It would be 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 blocks, yeah? Okay, so now we have our legs. Our legs are, so plot 2, draw a horizontal and vertical line. To create legs, 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 okay? Then you're gonna use Pythagorean theorem. This one is the easiest one because it's always hypotenuse. Your distance is always hypotenuse. So unlike the last set of things, we don't have to like figure out legs or hypotenuse. To find the distance, we're always going hypotenuse. So therefore it will be a squared plus b squared equals c squared. What's our c? You don't know. What's a c? What is it? Is it a leg or a hypotenuse?
Hypotenuse.
Very nice. It's a hypotenuse. Right, so we have 3 and 4, 9 plus 16. This is our 3, 4, 5 triangle. So our diagonal is 5, okay? That's how we do it. One day, you will learn this as the distance formula. And how we get the distance formula is C equals A squared plus B squared.